the periods they will going to approach you. Okay, if you face any errors, so till now we have configured the purchase information records using transaction code ME11, right? But the thing is that the most important point that we have for the purchase information records is we have entered the standard price based on the condition PBXX. Okay, so automatically what will happen here is the condition records that we entered in the SAP system, they will check with this stock reports, okay, stock accounts reports and all automatically. So based on the stock accounts reports and all, we should able to get the proper records from the purchase information. Okay, when you are doing with the sales order, I mean creations and all. Okay, now we will going to do the testings for all these things. So before that, we need to enter the materials things, right? So creation of the purchaser orders records and all. And after that, we will going to post the goods receipt, and after that, we will going to do the invoice receipt, then check with that balances. And after that, we will going to create the sales order, right? So for that thing, go to the transaction code ME21N, and we will going to do the testings. Go to the transaction code ME21N. See, for materials, I mean, for accounts payables, we will estimate the price. For accounts receivables also, we will going to estimate the price. So that is the important point. Okay. And can you take out the vendor, ma'am? For that Bajaj Finance anything. Take out that Bajaj. Click on the enter and enter your purchase organization. And no, click on the enter first and give the purchase organization, purchasing group and company code. No issue. Click on the enter, give the purchase organization. Yes, give the item, give the item 10 and give the material. Give that material 200. Go to the Word document and try to take out the material. Copy that material and give the short text. And how much PO quantity? That is seven PO quantities. And delivery date will be 21.07.2022. And the net price. What is the net price? 20,000 rupees. No, 20,000 rupees is the net price. And we will going to sell that material to the with the price of 20. Sorry, how much price? 25,000 rupees price. Okay. The next one is drag it to the right side, enter the plant, and enter the material group also. Take out the storage location, enter the material group. Now here, enter the material group. Mechanical we have taken, right? 0005. Sorry, 005. Okay. Click on the enter. Go to the can delivery be met? Yes, it will be met. Okay, then next go to the conditions, ma'am. Go to the conditions. Here conditions. Come down. Line item level conditions. Okay, so see, it is taking the previously it is not taking the condition. Why? Because based on the purchase information flow, based on the technical things and all, they have added the purchase information flow condition type. Okay, so go to the conditions. Okay, open this thing, ma'am. Go to the condition once again. I mean, this drop down option. Open this drop down option. No, no, no. Here only. Come down. Open the drop down option. Uh, give me 1 second. Okay. So see, if we don't have the condition types and all, we can able to enter it. Okay. PB double X is the condition type. If we don't have the cross price, you can able to enter it. Okay. Remove this thing. So we have already entered this gross prices in on. Okay. Go up and check with this thing and go to the save button and save it. Okay, so if there is no any error messages and all, go to the save button and save it. Take out this create purchase orders now, and then next go to the goods receipt. Again, is purchase order using transaction code MIGO. Give slash in, go to the transaction code MIGO. Give the purchase order here. Paste the purchase order. And go to the quantity updated delivery note. Click on the enter, go to the item OK, click on the enter and check it. Check the table. Entry DUPL doesn't exist. Can you open this thing? The table T1 59L. The entry DUPL is missing. If table has not been maintained correctly, please may inform it. Why? Remove this thing. Can you remove this thing, ma'am? Give slash in. Go to this transaction code. No, no, no. Go to that document. I mean SAP things. Huh? Miko. Enter and enter the purchase order. Click on the enter. Update the quantity 7 and give the PC and click on the item OK and click on the enter. Enter. First you need to enter, then check it. Check table T159L. Okay. Entry DUPL doesn't exist. I think so. So when we are trying to repeat the go to the give /n, go to the transaction, not the transaction, SPRO, reference IMG, give /n, SPRO, reference IMG, material management, inventory management and physical inventory. Open this thing and plant parameters. Inventory management and physical inventory. Open this thing and plant parameters. Okay. We haven't taken the plant parameters, right? No. What we need to do is remove this thing, come back. Go to the plant parameters once again. Select select 0001, no issue. Go to the copy option, and remove this plant and just give your plant. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Can you give /n? Go to the transaction code MIGO. I think so. This is the error. Update the delivery in quantity 7 and PC. Yes, item OK. Click on the enter. Go to the check option. If this is okay, this error has been gone, right? Okay, if that shows again and again, and we need to maintain the number ranges for this goods receipt document. Okay, and the movement type, you can just observe the movement type, all of you. Goods receipt. Ma'am, go to this movement type, goods receipt. Here 101 is the movement type, right side. Go up, right side. Go up. There is a goods receipt. Open that goods receipt. Yes, select that thing. Go to the drop down option. See, it is receipt. When we should get the goods from the vendor, right? When you are getting the goods from the vendor, goods receipt is very, very important. Goods receipt for the purchase orders into warehouse. Okay, there will be number of movement types, all of you, 102, 103, 104, 105. There is a blocked for warehouses and all. Okay, whatever the goods that is there. Okay, we can able to do it. If you are getting the goods normally without any damages and all, we can able to use the 101 goods receipt. If it is blocked, okay, if the item is damaged or not, okay, so blocked status stock will be uploaded. That is the very important thing. Okay, everything in interview point of view, you have to remember minimum to minimum 15 types of goods movements. Okay, that is movement types and all for the inventory management. Okay, so remove this thing, ma'am. Can you go to the post option? So this is the way you can just try to write down. Okay, what are the movement types that are there? Okay, I think so. In material, I have written some of the, I think 6 to 7 movement types, and you need to just add 8 more movement types. Okay, that is your choice. Okay, remove this thing. And in interview point of view, they will going to ask you such questions. And go to the post option. If everything is okay, go to the post option. Or if it is throwing an error, okay, you can just need to resolve that errors. Okay, goods receipt has been posted, and try to give the goods receipt, and then next go to the invoice receipt using transaction code MIRO. Give /n, go to the transaction code MIRO. Give /n, go to the transaction code MIRO. MIRO. MIRO, and give the invoice date. Give your tolerance group. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it, and go to the transaction code invoice receipt, that is MIRO. All of you, each and everything should be in a structure wise. Okay, at the same time, when you are doing the FI to SD integration testing, you do test all these things with the purchase information records. Okay, without having the purchase information records, how you can estimate the financial statements, okay, for your company? Okay, good. No need to give any amount, just calculate the tax. No, don't give any amount. Automatically, based on the purchase orders only, it will come, right? And give the purchase order, buying material from the vendor, and come down, there is a purchase order. So give the purchase order. And if you don't remember the purchase order, go to the Word document and just take out that purchase order and paste it. 74000 187. Click on the enter. Okay, how much? So 7,000, it is calculating the tax more than. So give 1,47,000 rupees. So click on the enter, and if it is an error message free, okay, just simulate it. Okay, so you can just calculate the input CGST and input SGST and GRIR clearing accounts and all. Okay, so that is the important thing. No issue. Remove this thing. Go to the save button and save it. If it is throwing an any error messages and all, you can able to see the things and take out the invoice receipt and all. Take out the invoice receipt. Ma'am, can you go to the transaction code MM03 first? MM03, give /n, go to the transaction code MM03. MM0, no, give /n. No, give /n. Go to the MIGO. MIGO. Go to the goods receipt. Go up, there is a goods receipt. Help data exist. Okay, good. Yes, got it. Give /n. Everything is fine. There is no any errors. Give /n. and go to the transaction code MMPE to check the stock flow. To check the stock flow. Go to the continue option. This is your material, right? Go to the execute option. Or if you want to add the storage location, you can able to add it. So 7 stocks are there. Okay, for our inventory, 7 stocks are there. Now what we need to do is we will try to create the sales order using transaction code VA01. Sales orders creations transaction code VA01. Can you give the order type, ma'am? And here give the sales office and the sales group also. Give the order type as OR. OR. No, not this thing. OR, only just OR. Click on give the sales office and uh, sales group also. Can you give the sold to party and take out that party? Click on the enter, ma'am. Automatically it will come. What is this error? Go to this error. No credit segment assigned to credit control area. Na. CCA1. Take out that thing. Why it is asking for the credit control area? Why this error? Okay, remove this thing, ma'am. Give /n. Remove this thing and give /n. And go to the reference IMG. Financial supply chain management. Reference IMG. Financial supply chain management. No. Financial supply chain management. Yes, open that thing. And credit management. Credit management. And integration with accounts receivables and sales and distribution. Open that thing. Integration accounts receivables. Integration with the sales distributions. No. Integration with sales distributions. They are asking for the a defined credit segment, ma'am. A defined credit segment. No. and go to the new entries. Define any segment like your credit segment. See, that is segments only. Based on the areas wise, we are defining the segments. No, don't give credit segment CCA1. Credit segment CSA1, you can just give it. And name of the credit segment is credit segment area. Credit segment area. Go to the save button and save it. Enter, no issue. And go to the save button and save it. And come back. One step back. No. One step back. Come back. And assign credit control area and credit segment. What is your credit control area? CCA1. Go to the position. No. You don't have any position, right? I think so. So assign the credit segment here. Assign your credit segment. Click on the enter. Entry CSA1 doesn't exist in UKMD credit. Check entry. Can you remove this thing? Go to the new entries. Assign credit control area and credit segment. Go to the new entries. CCA1 and currency INR. Entry CSA1 doesn't exist in UKM Creta. Let's check. Okay, can you remove this thing? Remove this thing. Go to that. Remove this thing. Cancel. Yes. It is not taking the sequence orders, so that is why we are getting this issue. Remove this thing, and you can just give 1000. Credit segment is 1000. No. Go to the assign credit control area. Assign credit control area to. Assign credit control area and credit segment. Go to the position. Go to the position and give your credit control area. CCA1. Continue. And credit segment is 1000. Just give credit segment 1000. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Give /n and go to the transaction code VA01, creation of the sales order. Enter customer reference. No. Please see, if they ask anything, just enter it. Why you are in a hurry? Then just enter the delivering plant. Enter the delivery plant. And enter the Incoterms. Okay, Incoterms is there. And the next one is enter this required delivery things. That is Delivery date is 21.07.2023. No. Here, required delivery date is 21.07.2023. Go up. Here, required delivery date. (21.07.2023). And try to enter the material. Give the material here. Enter the plant, enter the shipping point. Give the material. One for one. And the order quantity is 1. Order quantity is 1. Drag it to the right side. Give the plant. No. Give the plant. Click on the enter. Okay, continue. Item category is stand and condition type is PR00. And drag it to the right side. And do we have any shipping points and all? Right side. Condition type is there and right side. Okay, go to the shipping. Go to the shipping. Go to the shipping tab. Yes. Okay, shipping is there. Okay, good. Go to the item overview. Item overview. Drag it to the right side. Drag it to the left side. And where is the storage location? I think so. Drag it to the left side. Left. Where is the storing location? Go to the item details. Drag it to the right side. Where is that storage location? A required quantity, right side. Item is okay. DUPL. Okay, shipping things has been updated in this particular things. There is no worries. For that, we need to have the shipping point locations, and based on the shipping points locations and all, we can able to have these standard points. Okay, and okay, no worries. So if we face any errors, we can able to do it. Go to the save button. Have you given the amount? Drag it to the right side. Yes, 25,000. Yes. Go to the save button. No issue. Edit. Go to the edit option here. So we are missing one thing. What is that thing? Customer references and payment terms. Okay. Double click on this customer references. Double click on this customer references. Give the customer reference, ma'am. Anything? Material selling. Give the customer reference. Material selling. Material selling. And come back. Click on the enter. Come back. One step back and double click on payment terms. Double click on the payment terms. Double click on the payment terms. In the payment terms, you can just give 0001. Click on the enter. Go to the back option. Click on the back option. Gross weight. Double click on the gross weight. Gross weight. So we haven't entered any gross weight. Give the storage location, ma'am. Give the storage location. And give the gross weight, net weight. Give the gross weight as 1 and net weight as 1. One quantity we have taken, right? Click on the enter and come back. And do we have any errors? Now sales order is a document is complete. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Okay, take out this document. 2633 is the document number. 2633 is the sales order creation number. 2633. Now delivery of the goods. Delivery of the goods using transaction code VL01N. Can you go to the transaction code VL01N? Go to the transaction code VL01N. Take out the selection date 21.07.2023. Take out the selection date 21.07.2023. Click on the enter. Now, if that display document is okay, we can able to do it. Otherwise, if the display document is not okay, go to that picked quantity is 1. Go to that picked quantity is 1. Drag it to the right side. Picked quantity is 1. 1. Drag it to the right side, and gross weight is 1 and net weight is 1. And drag it to the right side. Right side. Storage location has been picked up automatically. Okay, can you go to the post goods issue? Go to the post goods issue. And if I mean if this system is showing an error, okay, we have to check it. Okay, otherwise we will not going to check. Take out this delivery things. Can you go to the transaction code VL03N, ma'am? Go to the transaction code VL03N. VL03N. Click on the enter. Display delivery document is very, very important, all of you. Can you go to the document flow, ma'am? Come down. Delivery document 8002218. Under this thing, you have document flow. Go up. There is options, cap options, tree option, sunset option, left side, left to left. That is the document flow. Take out the document flow. See, document flow should be in a complete status. Okay, so delivery is in a process. Okay, and pricing request is completed and goods issue has been completed. Okay, so that should be the main important thing for the deliverings of the business partner groups and all. Okay, for to whom we are delivering the goods, so you can able to see the details. Okay, so that is the a very important point in post goods issue document flow. Standard order we have created and delivery we have created and they have picked the requests and all and goods issue delivery has been done. Okay, so if you want to see the display document for that thing and go to the double click on this, just click on the goods issue delivery, ma'am. Just click on the goods issue delivery. Yes. Select this, go to the display document. Go to the display document, go up. There is a display document. Okay, you can able to display the documents for each and everything. Okay, whatever the things that we can do, we can able to have display document. Okay, come back. No issue. Or else you can do one thing. So select this thing, document number. No, go to the SAP system. Select this document number, come down. Come down. Select the document number. Yes, go to the display document. Go to the document information here. Document information. doc.inform tab. General, yes. Go to the FI documents. Go with the FI documents. Take out the accounting document. See, material ledger document is there and the accounting document is there. Okay, display document in separate window. Yes. Display document. See, all of you, you can able to have the entry. Okay, raw material inventory account creator, cost of goods sold account data. So this is the entry you can able to see with the come back one step back. And take out the material ledger display document view. See, for the material ledger we can able to create one document. For a document FI document we can able to create one document. See, material ledger also we have one document. Okay, right, come back. So this is the way you can able to see it. See, from the material ledger they can able to see the views SD and MM, and for from FI we can able to see the views. Come back one step back. Okay, this is the way you can able to see the, you no need to worry. And the next one is last one is billing document, right? VF01. VF01 is the billing document. Give /n and go to the transaction code VF01. Go to the transaction code VF01. 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 If you don't know that thing, go to that document and try to see the transaction code.
Sir, VF01 is.
Go to that document, ma'am. That is not delivery of the goods issue. VL01 is over. Then billing document is VF01. Go to the transaction code VF01. Automatically, delivering document will be coming into the picture. Can you click on the enter? If it is having any errors, automatically it will show you. Click on the enter, no issue. Those are the warning messages, request references, documents for the business place is not yet. Okay, click on the enter, no issue. Okay, so if it is throwing any error, automatically it will show you the error. If it is not throwing any error and the configurations are very much perfect. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Click on the enter. Enter. If this document is generated, there is no issue. Okay, this document has been saved. Take out this document. Take out this document. Okay, give /n, go to the transaction code VF02. Go to the transaction code VF02. Okay, go to the document flow, ma'am. Go to the document flow. Document flow. Yes. Display document flow. So this invoice document should be created. Okay, this journal entry has been created and it is not at all cleared. Okay, what we need to do, we have to clear it, right? Okay, so go to the transaction code FBL01, ma'am. Go to the transaction code FBL01. Go to the transaction code FBL01. And take out with this customer. Go to the open items. So this is the open item that we have. Okay, so can you give /n? Go to the transaction code F-28. Go to the transaction code F-28 and just clear this 25,000 rupees. And give the value date. Take out that account, customer account, and try to process the open items. Remove the customer name. Go to the process open items. Okay, can you go to the save button and save it? And now we will going to see it. So we have cleared the document, okay, through DZ. And can you give /n, ma'am, and go to the transaction code FBL01 once again, and go to the open items. Go to the transaction code FBL01, ma'am, once again. Execute it. There is no open items. Go to the cleared items. We have cleared that item, that is 25,000 rupees through DZ document. Okay. And can you give /n and go to that transaction code VF02 and again check with that billing document flow. Okay. If you check with that billing document flow, come back, go to the billing document flow. If you check with that thing, that should be cleared. Okay, so this is the way you can able to do the real-time process. And give /n, go to the transaction code MMBE, whether the stock has been decreased or not for that thing. MMBE, click on the enter, go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Now it has been decreased to the 6 stock flows, right? So this is the way you can able to do the testings for the SAP FI to SD. Okay, with the help of purchase information flow. Okay, right, all of you, I will going to stop this recording.